Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to edit the background color of captions on Facebook using your PC. This is a quick and easy process that allows you to personalize your captions for better readability and style. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser by navigating to facebook.com. Once you're on the home page, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will take you to Facebook's Settings page, where you can customize various options. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, find and click on Media. This section contains all the settings related to videos and captions. Now, look for the Captions display option. You'll see an Edit button next to it. Click on this button to proceed. In the Captions display settings, locate the background color option. Click on it to reveal a palette of colors you can choose from. Select the color that best suits your preference or style. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Your new background color will now be visible whenever captions are displayed on Facebook videos. And that's it. You've successfully customized the background color of your captions on Facebook. This small tweak can make a big difference in how captions appear, enhancing both their readability and visual appeal. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. See you in our next video.